Before we start, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure like the video. Yeah, let's go to the video. I reached 29 star, mean 29 star. I'm going to, bro. I'm going to 30 star, bro. FC champion 30. Let's go, man. Look at this, man. He's FC champion 40, man. I'm still not rich. 13, but EA give me 14. EA. This is their game, man. They cook you every time, man. How they play game. And his squad is not bad, actually. He got Del Perlo, man. Rate my squad, by the way. You know, the game starts in Estadio Santiago Bernabeu. Lamine Yamal and Dembele. Lamine Yamal, Lamine. I pass it, man. Then he didn't reach Rafinha. Bro, I'm cooked. Then look, it's Del Perlo. I feel he should, but he passed to Olise. This Razor is the best, man. You see Dembele, but nothing. And just Henry Gusto Yamal, Schweinsteiger, Dembele, Saliba is maves, man. Saliba is cooking me, man. And my Magalhaes, and for Yamal, he missed it, man. I can't believe this, man. Yamal, I hope he has agility, but his agility is not too good. In Toni Kroos, the passing moves, and for Rafinha, Dembele, Rafinha again, and the boom, Schweinsteiger. I scored the first goal, me. You see, for the first time you are going to reach FC champion 30, then you scored the first goal. What you feel, man? What you feel? But Marquinhos come and Laser Azur to Rafinha to Dembele to Del Perlo, but Del Perlo is shit here, man. And now Del Perlo for Ronaldo, Henry. Look at this, man. Look at this. I'm just cooked myself, me. I give him the ball and I concede, man. The game is not end. And I start the game. And Toni Kroos for Dembele. But I didn't think to shoot, but he shoot it. Then he start attacking. He start from Del Perlo. I fear he gonna shoot funny shoot, but he doesn't shoot. Look at this. Del Perlo save me. He's going to shoot, but save me. Offside, and the Laser Azur to Dembele to Rafinha pass him again, and I'm cooked, but Rafinha got the ball. And Broski run. Olise give me again. And again. But this time to Del Perlo to Schweinsteiger and Yamal. Bro, I'm going to reach, me finally. I'm too happy at the time. He just dumpling, man. And the Toni Kroos, I'm gonna need the game tempo too low, but I want to score and finish the game. Rafinha gone, shoot it, but save it. And who is this, man? Lamine Yamal, why doing that? I don't know, but I feel this gonna goal. And man, I tried, and I tried again. And finally got the ball, and the opponent disconnected. I'm officially going to FC Champions 30. Finally, man. He's just disconnected, and look at this, man. Look at this. I'm just flexing and I shoot it. But Courtois save. I don't care if he save. If he don't save, the opponent just disconnected his final shoot. And the referee. The referee. We are waiting for the referee, man. Referee blow it. Now I'm officially in FC Champions 30, man. I'm cooked, man. I'm cooked, man. Y'all, I hope you all, man. You all, one day we'll get this. If you don't get this, but if you pass this, yeah, I'm happy to see. Yeah, pass me, but don't forget to subscribe, by the way. Finally, look at this in the star. Look at this. But I don't get any money, man. I'm mad. I'm mad. Why is this? They give me this bloody shirt. What's this mean? This is disrespect. I don't like this thing. But y'all, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will make the video. Yeah, let's go.